Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First, open Shopify and go to your store dashboard. Click Settings in the bottom left corner, then select Domains. Click Connect Existing Domain and enter your domain name. Now, you will be prompted to select the preferred method of setup. You can either do the automatic setup or do it manually. Simply select the manual setup and a bunch of values will appear. Next, open GoDaddy and go to My Domains. Click Manage DNS to access your domain settings. Now, make sure to delete any CNAME records from the available DNS networks. Simply click on the delete icon and scroll to the top. Here you need to add two records, a CNAME record and an A record. To add the CNAME record, click Add New Record, choose CNAME as the type, enter www as the name, and set the value to shops.myshopify.com. Leave TTL on default and click Save. Now add an A record, click Add New Record, select A as the type, enter app for the name, and paste Shopify's provided IP address in the value field. Click Save. Return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Shopify will check if your domain is correctly linked. This process usually completes instantly, but it may take a few hours. Once verified, set your domain as the primary domain. Now, when you enter your domain in a browser, it redirects to your Shopify store. So that's basically how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.